Hi students, so welcome you all for this very important evening session. So I am going to discuss some important things with all of you. So that important things are about your board exams, your CET exams, as well as all the important things of this lockdown time. Okay, so I already shared this link with all students, so let us give some 2 or 3 minutes of time so that all can join this class. Okay, so let us give 2 or 3 minutes time for all students so that they can join this class, and all together we can start our session. Okay, so quickly tell all your friends to join the class. Quickly tell all your friends to join the class. Hi, good evening, and welcome to the class. Okay, so let us wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Let us wait for 1 minute of time, and let us see how many of them can join the class, and we can start it. Clear? So quickly tell me how many of you want to become engineers, doctors, and future lecturers, and how many want to do a very big things in your life. How many want to achieve very big things in your life? So please tell me. How many want to become an engineers? You put 1, 2, 3. And how many want to become a doctors? You put digestion system. And how many want to become a lecturers? Put PAVAN sir in their comment box. Okay. How many want to become an engineers? Put 1, 2, 3. How many want to become a doctors? Put digestive system. And how many want to become a lecturers? Put as PAVAN sir. Okay. So that means I can see the number of students who are interested in different type of fields. I can see how many of you are interested in different type of fields. Okay. So most of you are putting 1, 2, 3. Some of you are putting doctors. Some of you are putting as digestive system. And some of you are putting as PAVAN sir. No problem. Okay. So I am a teacher, so that's why I tell that to become a teacher, so I put my name. That's all. Clear? Very good. Very nice replies. So my dear students, so please see here, becoming an engineer, becoming a doctor, or becoming a very good teacher is a very big achievement in your life. Clear? So many type of doctors come every day. So many type of engineers also come every day. So many type of teachers also come every day. But there are only few engineers who are technically good. There are only few doctors who are technically good. And there are only few teachers who are very good at their explanations. Are you getting my point? So every day the good engineer, every day the good doctor, or every day the good teachers never come. Please understand this. Okay. So with this, I want to start one very important session. As your Karnataka CET dates are announced, on that basis, I want to construct one strategy and plannings for 12th class as well as for 11th class. Because see here, strategies and plannings will define your success. You must have good strategies, you must have good plannings, and then only you can become a successful leader or successful life. Okay, so that's why in which way we can make strategies and in which way we can make an plannings, that will define this particular session. Okay, so I will give you some strategies, I will give you some plannings, how to start your preparation for board exam, how to start your preparation for CET exam. Okay, so here I am going to discuss for both 12th standard as well as 11th standard. Clear? So that's why I said all the 12th can join and all the 11th class students can also join this particular class. Okay, so my dear students, first I will discuss with 12th class students. First I will discuss with 12th class students. 12th class students. And see my dear 11th class students, whenever I am discussing with the 12th class students, you just wait and watch how the strategies are going to be applied, how I am applying my strategies. That means for 12th class, how I am explaining their strategies, that has to be understood by the 11th class students so that they can also apply this type of strategies in their coming times. Okay, so for 12th class students, you just see here one thing: August 28 and 29 are the exam dates. Okay, clear? So these are your exam dates for your Karnataka CET. So please remember, note, this is very, very important. These are strategies. These are strategies and assumption dates. Assumption dates. Okay. So these are not exact dates. Only the exact date is your Karnataka CET. So depending on this Karnataka CET dates, what they have announced, on the basis of that we are framing our curriculum. Now, for example, how we are preparing that strategy. The board exam dates are not yet announced. The board exam notification not yet came. So, but we can assume that on the basis of CET dates, we can assume about our annual exam. Okay. So, just see here the second point, 15 days before, they have to finish your board exams. Please keep it in mind. 15 days before of your Karnataka CET exam, they has to end your board exams. That means what will be the third point? 28 minus 15. That will be 13. So 13th of August. So 13th of August, your board exam must finish. Are you getting my point? So according to our Karnataka CET exam dates, you just take 15 days before of our Karnataka CET exams. That means 13th of August, they has to finish your board exams of class 12. Are you getting my point? Again, you just see, you just go 15 days before of this 13th. That means it will be either 28 or 29 of July. They must start your board exams. Are you getting my point? So 28th or 29th July, they must start your board exams. So on this basis, you just see, you go 2 or 3 days before of this. That means 24 or some like 22. They has to finish your lab exams. Are you getting my point? That means 24 or 22 July, they has to finish your lab exams. Just you take again 15 days or 20 days. That means if I go 15 days before, that will be 4 days, this side 10 days. So you can go for 8th or like 8 to 12 of July. 8 to 12 of July, they has to give notification or they has to start your board exam. labs, board exam labs. Okay, board lab exams, board lab exams. Are you getting my point? That means, see here, at the last week of June, at like this is July, so last week or the third week of June, they will give notification. They will give notification. They will give notification. Okay, so that means conclusion is you have May and June. You have May and June. Are you getting my point? So board exams will also be done, practical will be also taken. Okay, there will be board practical exams also, there will be board exams also. Are you getting my point? So see here, as if now they have said after the board exams they will conduct lab exams. So that means they may carry this anything, but the dates are going to be the same. The dates are going to be the same. Before they conduct board exam, they may conduct lab. After the board exam also they may conduct the lab. Don't worry about that. You worry about the notification. See here, notification must be on 4th week of the June or the 3rd week of the June. So notification will come on the 3rd week or the 4th week of the June. They may conduct the lab exams after your board exam, or they may conduct the lab before the board exam. It will only known by the notification of 3rd or 4th week. Are you getting my point? First, what they said, they will conduct the lab exams after your board exams. Afterwards, they have postponed the exam. Okay, so these all make confusions in your mind. Don't worry about anything. Don't worry about anything. You just worry about the notifications and the dates. You just worry about the notification and the dates. So notification means 3rd or 4th June. Clear? So now you see here, this is May 12. In May you have 16 days roughly. In the May you have 16 days roughly. And in the June you have 30 days roughly. You have 30 days. From June to July, you will be busy with your what? Exams. You will be busy with your exams. Okay, so till June 3rd week, you have time to prepare. You have time to prepare for both KCET as well as board exam. Okay, so who have already prepared for the board exam, you just do revision. Are you getting my point? Who are already prepared for the board exam, you see here 16 days of May and 30 days of June, 46 days. Daily you take 12 hours. From 46 days. In this 12 hours, you 4 hours give for revision. 8 hours preparation for CET. Are you getting my point? For this 46 days, June 30 days as well as 16 days from this May. So see, you will get 46 days for the preparation for board exam as well as your CET exam. After the notification, you will have 15 days. So when you have this 15 days, you prepare in this 15 days complete for board exam. Completely for board exam. Now I am discussing with 12th class students. First year students, please you just watch what I am explaining for the 12th class students. Okay, after the completion of the 12th class students, I will come for you also. So see, 15 days you can prepare completely for board exams. So you just see, according to us, here 15 days you will get again for the preparation for CET. Again the preparation for CET, 46 plus 15. 46 plus 15 means 61 days. Okay. So 61 days you are going to get for the preparation of CET. Are you getting my point? See, suppose again if they postpone, suppose if again they postpone this, you are having again more time. So now as if now you have 61 days for the preparation for CET. As if now you have 61 days for CET, 15 days plus on this side you may have some 15 days. You take 30 days, no problem. 30 days for your board exam. 15 days who have already prepared, I am telling. Who have already prepared 15 days, complete 15 days before the exam, they give the notification. That 15 days you can utilize for board exam. Are you getting my point? By reading again and again the same thing, what happens? You will get bored. So that's why I am telling this 15 days will be there for your board exam completely. So complete 15 days. Complete 15 days. Okay. Complete board exam preparation. Board exam preparation. Board exam preparation. Okay. So remaining you have 61 days. So in these days you prepare for CET, because this is very important. This is very important. 61 by 4, roughly 15 point something you will get for each subject. For each subject I am telling. For each subject I am telling. Suppose if you take maths, you have 29 chapters. 11th class plus 12th class, you have 29 chapters. Okay. So see here, 29 chapters divided by 15 if you do, roughly you are going to get 2 chapters a day. Roughly you are going to get 2 chapters a day. Are you getting my point? So 2 chapters you can finish daily. That means if you read 2 chapters daily, according to now, you will get 2 days to 2 chapters in 1 day. 2 chapters in 1 day. Are you getting my point? So like this you have to do the calculation. Clear? So see here, if you go for 15 into 2, 30 days. Roughly you have 29 days. No problem. Sorry, roughly you have 29 topics. So roughly you can prepare 30 topics in 15 days. Are you getting my point? About CET application and all, don't worry. They will give all the notifications. They will give time to apply. Don't worry about that. Okay. So what you have to do now? You have to prepare for that. For 12th class students I am telling. For 12th class students I am telling. Okay. So with this type of preparation you start to prepare. Don't worry about lockdown. Don't worry about lockdown. Don't worry about extension of the lockdown. Okay. Don't worry about the extension of the lockdown. If they extend the lockdown period, then also it is good. Again you can read more. Again you can read more. Anyways you are going to get 15 days for preparation of your board exams. And daily 1 or 2 hours you just revise them. So if you have prepared, you just revise them. Take 4 hours for the revision of your board exam preparation. In the remaining 8 hours, you prepare for CET exam. Okay. So if you do like this, you will also have more interest. You will also have more concepts to read. Okay. Simply by reading simply by reading for board exam, again for reading board exam, again for reading board exam, you will get tired. Okay. So you make up this and you make your own strategies. So this is our strategy for our board exam as well as CET exam preparation. So this is all about 12th class students. So quickly tell me, 12th class students, how many of you have understood this? How many of you have understood this, what I have explained? Quickly tell me. Now I have to go for 11th class students. Now I have to go for the 11th class students. Please quickly tell me, how many of you have understood what I have explained? So apply these strategies and start your preparations. For 12th class students I am telling. Clear? Okay, so now coming to 11th class students. Now you just see my dear 11th class students, really you are in a very big green zone. This is very best time. This is very best time for 11th class students to do the big things. You can crack JEE mains, you can do good in KCET, even you can crack JEE advance also. If you are smart with your brain, if you really want to work, and if you really want to become something in your life. For 11th class students, it is a very, very big thing to do in their life. See my dear students, college time is the big tension, for every student. College time is the big tension for every student. So for 11th class students, now there is no college till the lockdowns get finished, till the 12th class students complete their exams. Are you getting my point? That means here you are now, May 2021. Okay, so this is 2021, right? This is 2021. Clear? So you have to go for May or April 2022. You have to go for April 2022. See here, for 11th class students I am telling May 2021 to April 2022. See here, how many months you have? Roughly 12 months of time. See, here you take 6 months. Remove these 6 months for 12th class. 6 months you have for 11th class. Still you have 11 months. Sorry, 6 months for your 11th class. Without any tension, I am telling, without any tension, you have 6 months. 6 into 30, 180 days. 180 days. Mix with 12 hours a day. How much you will get? 12 hours a day. Quickly calculate it. 12 into 0, 12 into 8, 96. 12 into 1 is 12. Plus 9, 21. This much of hours you have. Are you getting my point? 2160 hours. Are you getting my point, my dear students? 2160 hours, you divide it by 13 chapters of maths. 13 chapters of maths. Are you getting my point? 180 days divided by 13 hours, 13 days, 13 what day? What is this 13? This 13 is, okay, 6 months for 11th class. Okay, 13 chapters, 180 days. Divide this. See how much days you are going to get for each chapter. Can you tell me what is, here you can see 13 into 1. So 3 will remain. 13 into 2. That means 12 days for each chapter. Each chapter you have 12 days. 12 hours. Okay. So that means 12 hours for each chapter. For each chapter I am telling. So you can adjust so much of time in the preparation of KCET or JEE mains. or JEE mains. See, you have 12 months. You have 12 months, I am telling. Okay. So each month if you prepare 3 chapters or 2 chapters, no problem. 24 chapters you are going to cover. Okay. Each month 2 chapters. Each month 2 chapters. See how much time you have. For 1 month you have to read only 2 chapters. For 1 month you have to read only 2 chapters. That is the best time to prepare for any type of CET or any type of JEE mains. Are you getting my point? So if you start your JEE mains preparation, if you start your KCET preparations, start now, because you have so much of time. You have so much of time. Okay. You just see here. This is May, and coming April of next year, you have 12 months. You have 24 chapters. You have 24 chapters. 12 into 2, 24 chapters. Each month. Each month. Okay. So see here what happens. Even you can pass JEE advance. Here you can pass JEE advance also if you prepare with these strategies. My thing is, see, you have 24 chapters. You have 24 chapters. So you have 12 months. Here what you do, 1 month for your board exam, remove it. Again 1 month lab exam, you remove it. Lab exam, you remove it. 10 months. You have 10 months, my dear students, for the preparation for your CET exams. Same you can apply for NEET also. Same you can apply for NEET also. 10 months and you have 24 chapters. Now you remove at least 2 months, you remove for your board exam preparation. Okay. For your board exam preparation, you remove 2 months, no problem. You have 10 months to go. Each month you prepare only 2 or 3 chapters. Each month you prepare only 2 or 3 chapters. Start with 11th class preparation. Start with 11th class preparation. Okay. So now you can start your 11th class preparation. No problem. In 10 months you divide 5 plus 5. So 13 chapters from your 11th class, 13 or 12 chapters from your 12th class. Are you getting my point? So total you have 16, 3 are reduced. So you take only 13 and 13. So see, 13 chapters 5 months, 13 chapters 5 months. That means how much time you have? See, 13 chapters in 5 months. So this is a really big time to prepare. A really very big time to prepare for any type of competitive exam. Almost now 11th class syllabus is over. Almost now 11th class syllabus is over. So you can start the preparation of CET for 11th class. Are you getting my point? So next you can prepare for second year. So see, 11th class students, you take this as a very big opportunity for the preparation for your what? Competitive exams. Clear? So now you can see, you can tell also about other 3 subjects also. Other 3 subjects also. Okay. So now see here, you have 13 chapters to go for 5 months. You have, see here, 5 months, 13 chapters of 11th class. So like this you make for physics, chemistry, bio. Chemistry, physics, bio. So each month 5 into 30, 150 days. 150 days divided by 4. Divided by 4, you make like this. So how much you are going to take? Divided by 4, if I make, you can get 4, 4, 16. Okay, 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 8. So you are going to remain with 5 and 7. So you can divide it and you can get how much? So see here, 150 divided by 4. You are going to get 37 point something. 37 point something. Okay. So that means 37 days for each. You make 37 into 12 hours. How many hours you are going to get? Are you getting my point? So 37 days for maths, 37 days for physics, 37 days for chemistry, 37 days for biology. Roughly 1 month, roughly I am telling. Okay. So that means you have 5 weeks. You have 5 weeks. At least you can do 2 chapters each week. 2 chapters each week. That means for each week you make 2 chapters, no problem. 37 days, at least 37 days you are going to get for maths. 37 days you divide with 13 chapters, no problem. Okay. So if you take 37 by 13, you can take how much time you are going to take for 1 chapter. Okay. So like this you divide the time. Like this you divide the time. So 37 days divided by 13, you calculate and tell me. 37 divided by 13. So roughly you are going to have 2.8 something. That means you take 3 days, no problem. 3 days for 1 chapter. 3 days for 1 chapter. 3 days for 1 chapter. Are you getting my point? Roughly 3 days. You see, 3 days for 1 chapter. So if you apply this strategy, 3 days into 12 hours, 36 hours preparation for each chapter. 36 hours. That means in that 36 hours, you have to prepare 1 chapter. Are you getting my point? So there is a very much big time. So you take 3 days for each chapter, no problem. 3 days for each chapter. Are you getting my point? So in these 3 days, what you have to do? See here. What you have to do? For chapter 1, let us take sets. Chapter 1, let us say take sets. So see, 11th class, no worries about annual exam. No worry about annual exam. Complete this 36 hours for sets. Complete 36 hours for sets. See, sets is a very simple topic. You can cover it in 1 day. You can cover it in 1 day. 1 day sets, 1 day relations, and 3rd day functions. Okay, in 36 hours you can cover these 3 topics: sets, relations, and functions. Are you getting my point? So my dear students, really you have a very big time. Really you have a very big time. So now you decide what you want to do. Still sit for a 12 hours a day, take 1 chapter, read it. Try to cover how much is possible to that much. Rush with it. Okay. Have patience. Don't do any urgency. Have patience. Understand the concepts. Understand the logics. Understand the subject. Then you solve it. Then you solve it. Are you getting my point? So this is what you can do. This is what you can do. So now you just see here, 11th class concepts I am starting now. from tomorrow. From tomorrow I am starting 11th class concepts, where 12th class students also can attend that. This will be the preparation for your JEE mains. This will be preparation for your JEE mains. Are you getting my point? So what I will do, 3 days I am going to take one chapter. 3 days for one chapter. So this will be the preparation for your JEE mains KCET 2022. 2022. Are you getting my point? So 3 days. For each topic I will take 3 days. Okay. So 2022. This is the preparation for 2022 JEE mains and KCET. So here the 12th class students can also attend it, no problem, and they can also do it, no problem. So sets, relations, functions. I will start sets, relations and functions. Okay, together I will start. Clear? So here what important thing is, you have to go regularly. You have to attend the classes regularly. Okay, so there is no charges for you, there is nothing to pay. You have to come live, you have to watch the video, and you have to understand the concepts, you have to prepare for it. That's all. Okay, so I will conduct live quiz also, I will give you the notes also, I will provide everything for you. Everything is free for you. Are you getting my point? So please see this, very big opportunity. Only one thing is, you have to come live, you have to come live and you have to attend it. That's all. Are you getting my point? So every day I will take either 2 hours or 1 hour. So 2 hours class I will take until this lockdown get over. I will take 2 hours class. I will take 2 hours class continuously. 2 hours class continuously I am going to take. So first only you have to decide. Either you have to join the class or you are not going to join the class. If you come live, it is very good. So let us wait for this lockdown to get over. So until this lockdown get over, I will take 2 hour classes. After the lockdown is finished, I will take 1 hour class. Clear? So now time is according to your convenient. From morning 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. You tell me 2 hours of time. From morning 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. I want 2 hours of your time. Either it may be afternoon, that is p.m., either it may be morning. But here what happens, till 1 o'clock you will have your college online classes. Okay, so I can't touch this 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. I can't touch this 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Clear? So in the morning session from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. you have online classes. Okay, for your college. So I can't touch that. So tell me after 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now reduce your time to 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. So here you have to give me 2 hours of time. For 11th class I am telling. Okay. So see here, 6 to 8 p.m. very good choice. Otherwise 5 to 7 p.m. also very good choice. Some are telling 4 to 6. That is also very good choice. Okay. So see, you finish your online classes. I don't disturb your online classes. Please see. I don't disturb your online classes from 10 to 1. From 1 to 4 you take rest or you do whatever you want. From 4 to 6 I will take class. After 6 p.m. you will be free. After 6 p.m. you will be free. So you can do whatever you want. After 6 p.m. you will be free. You can do whatever you want. So from 1 to 4 you have lunch, you take rest. So 4 to 6 I will engage your CET classes. 4 to 6 I will engage your CET classes, because 9 to 10 this is the time for 12th class. 9 to 10 this is my favorite time. This is my favorite time for 12th class students. So that's why I am telling I can't touch this 9 to 10, because here I want to engage my 12th class students. So that's why from 4 to 6 I will engage with 11th class with CET preparation. With CET preparation. Okay. So here with 12th class I am going to revise your board exam preparation. No problem. So there you can give your time from 9 to 10. So already I have covered your differential equations. So next I will start new chapter from tomorrow from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. I will start new chapter for the 12th class students from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. That will be for your board exam preparation. So see here, the very important thing is the regularity of all of you. The regularity of all of you. So I will start 11th class chapters. I will start 11th class chapters. Okay. So first you can tell the favorite chapter of yours. So it is very good if I start sets, relations and functions. Sets, relations and functions. Okay. So I will start sets, relations, functions from tomorrow. From tomorrow. For 11th class students. From 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. From 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And for 12th class 9 to 10 I has to start new chapter. So quickly tell me for 12th class which chapter I have to start. For 12th class which chapter I have to start. For 12th class students, differential equations is over today. So I has to start new chapter. So quickly tell me one new chapter. So I will start that. Any one of you can tell. No problem. Any one of you can tell. No problem. Clear? So please remember, this is the extra time, not college times. This is extra time, not college times, and only about mathematics. No other subjects. Be clear. Only with my interest I am doing this. In this, no college fees, no college, anything is not included. So this is on my own interest for my students. Are you getting my point? So this is out of the box. That means it is out of the college. Are you getting my point? So here following me on YouTube is very good for you. Okay. So let us start from tomorrow. Application of derivatives. Okay. Most of the students are telling application of derivatives for 12th class. So here I will start application of derivatives. Here I will start application of derivatives. Clear? So now, how many of you are happy with all these announcements, with all this new introduction of strategies, plannings and all? Okay. So be ready from tomorrow. I am going to engage these classes. So tell to everyone, and all of them can attend this class. Clear? So how many are going to attend live class? How many are going to attend regularly? For them only the notes will be available. For them only the strategies, plannings are all are going to be available. If you don't attend live, you can't understand anything. So that's why you have to be live. You have to come live in the class. So if you come live, then only I can engage. If you come live, then only I can teach. So that's why I am telling you have to come live. If you are live in the class, then I can give notes, then I can clear your doubts, then I can do everything. Okay. So let us start our big project from tomorrow. So thank you to everyone. Let us meet from the tomorrow classes and let us start it from tomorrow. Okay. So it is all about only mathematics topics, only mathematics subject and only mathematics things. Clear? And no other subjects are included in this. Please be perfect. Okay. So thank you and good night. Take care. Be safe. Be in home. Take care. Be safe. Be in home. Clear? And let us end this class.